My name is Alyssa.
I'm Rochelle. Welcome.
So I was the victim of a bad bleaching incident, and I went through a struggle with my hair for about 1.5 years. I dyed my hair black consistently for 7 years, and I wanted to change. And then when I tried to do the whole ombre balayage situation, the bleach did not take properly to my hair. I had to cut it up to my ear's length, and for years I was trying to struggle growing it out and maintaining the health. So I decided I want to do something to fix it. It was definitely heartbreaking. I did not want to leave the house for months. I just felt like my hair was constantly dry and coming out when I was brushing it, and I just wanted to keep it back.
You're gonna have an amazing ending today. I'm excited about this. So I'm taking the 2 pieces that are 2 clips, so like they're your shorter pieces, and putting them sort of just a couple inches away from your part.
Okay.
That way we can make the front of your hair look a little bit fuller and blend with the rest of the extensions. Yeah, exactly. If you know that you prefer to use your extensions with, let's say, a beach wave, you can always keep the beach wave in your extensions, put them back in their box so they stay nice and gorgeous. Then they'll stay that way for the next time you wear them, because you're not going to wash them every time you use them. And that way you're just kind of mostly styling your own hair in the morning and not the extensions. Yeah, so save yourself a bit of time.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they feel amazing.
I feel so good. I'm having so much fun. I want to touch this all day. I literally can't stop touching it. My relationship was always up and down with my hair. When I was younger, before, it used to go into a nice wave that was more presentable. I could wear it and dry it and it was fine. But then in the teenage years, I tried to style it, added a lot of heat to it and color. And so I was always kind of playing it one way or the next, so.
Here's your big moment.
Okay.
First time wearing Luxy's.
Oh my God. Angle it, wait, angle it, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. It's so nice, wow. Like it blends so perfect. Thank you so much, thank you.